Hello, boys and girls. Yesterday you worked on finding the end time. So the problems were giving you a start time, how many hours it took for somebody to do something, watch a video game, drive in the car, whatever it may be. Today we are going to find the start time. So the problem is going to give you an end time, and instead of going down on your number line, we're actually going to go up. We're going to find out what time something started. So let's do a few together. It takes 3 hours and 5 minutes to get from Olivia's house to her aunt's house. If she arrives at her aunt's house at 5:30, what time did Olivia leave her house? So we're actually going to start at the bottom of our number line today. So we're going to start and label at the bottom. We have 5, and we're going to go backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 12 o'clock comes before 1 o'clock. So we're not going to 0, we are going to 12. Think about a clock and how your numbers on a clock work. 5:30. So we start at 5:30. It says she arrived at her aunt's house at 5:30. It took her 3 hours and 5 minutes to get there. So we have to go back 3 hours and 5 minutes. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, 5 minutes. We're going backwards. Yesterday we were going forward because they were giving us a start time and we are finding the end time. Today we are finding the end time and going backwards to find what time did something start. So she arrived at her aunt's house at 5:30. It took her 3 hours and 5 minutes to get there. 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes. She left her house at 2:25. So the answer to this problem is 2:25. Let's try another one. Billy was invited to a birthday party that ended at 2:55. If it lasted 1 hour and 25 minutes, what time did the party start? So we are labeling our number line starting at the bottom. We have 2:55. This is 2, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. The party ended at 2:55. It lasted 1 hour and 25 minutes. So what time did it start? Remember, we're finding the start time, so we are going backwards. We need to go backwards 1 hour and 25 minutes. 1 hour, backwards 25 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The party started at 1:30. All right, let's try another one. This time you are going to label along with me. The school football game ended at 7:40. If the game lasted 1 hour and 10 minutes, what time did it start? So it's giving us an end time. That means we start at the bottom of our number lines. We start at 7, counting backwards, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It ended at 7:40. Go ahead and pause and make your number line look like mine. All right, so your number line should look like mine. It is 7:40. It lasted for 1 hour and 10 minutes. So what time did the game start? We go backwards 1 hour and backwards 10 minutes, counting by fives. 5, 10. So the game started at 6:30. The answer is 6:30. Let's try another one. Oliver was reading a book for 1 hour and 5 minutes. If it was 4 o'clock when he finished the book, what time was it when he started reading? So we're trying to find the start time. It gives us the end time. Since it gives us an end time, we're going to label our number line at the bottom. We need to label it at 4 o'clock, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11. He ended at 4 o'clock. He read the book for 1 hour and 5 minutes. We need to go back 1 hour. That's here. And then we need to go back 5 minutes. Notice, because we were at 3 o'clock, I had to go to the 2 hour and go back 5 minutes from there. So it is 2:55 when he started reading his book. All right, we're going to do one together. I'm going to have you hit pause, and you will be able to use your number line. The first thing I'm going to do is read it, and then I'm going to allow you to write your number line, and then we will check our work. George spent 3 hours looking for a missing cat. If he finally found the cat at 4 o'clock, what time was it when he started looking? Go ahead and label your number line. Remember, it has given us an end time of 4 o'clock, so we're starting at the end of our number line, which is at the bottom of the paper. Hit pause, make your number line. All right, so this is 4 o'clock. We have 3 o'clock. We have 2 o'clock. We have 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 11 o'clock. He started at 4 o'clock, and he looked for his cat for 3 hours. So we need to go back 3 hours. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. He started looking for his cat at 1 o'clock. All right, boys and girls, we're going to do one more together, and then you will do some on your own and submit them so I can see them. John spent 1 hour and 20 minutes outside cleaning up his yard. If it was 8 o'clock when he finished, what time did John start cleaning his yard? All right, give us an end time of 8 o'clock. So we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. He finished at 8 o'clock. He spent 1 hour and 20 minutes cleaning. So I'm going to go back 1 hour. Now I need to go back 20 minutes. I can't go back here, so I need to start back up here. 5, 10, 15, 20. He started cleaning outside at 6:40. All right, third graders, you should have on your to-do list a link to your assignment. It's going to be just a Google slide with 1 page, 4 or 5 questions of very similar questions as this. I want you to make sure you are using your number line. That really, really helps when you're solving these problems. Thank you.